Small repairs before you move can dramatically improve buyer impressions and prevent costly lease deductions. Start by creating a prioritized checklist that targets visible and functional issues, then schedule time blocks for each task so nothing is rushed. Patch holes and touch up paint using a 3-step process. Sand edges, apply spackle thinly, sand again, and match paint with a small test patch before rolling. Buy a sample can if needed. Fix leaking faucets by turning off water, replacing worn washers or cartridge assemblies, and tightening connections. If the leak continues, capture the exact location and symptom to communicate to a plumber. Replace burned-out bulbs and swap mismatched lamps so lighting feels consistent and rooms read brighter. Choose warm white bulbs for living spaces and daylight alternatives for work areas. Repair damaged flooring by gluing or pinning lifted sections, filling gouges with wood putty or epoxy for tile, and replacing small sections where necessary. For carpet, consider professional steam cleaning or targeted patching using hidden areas as donor material. Service heating and air conditioning by replacing filters, clearing condensate drains, and noting any noises or inefficiencies for a technician to address before disclosure. Whether selling or finalizing a lease, a recent service record reassures buyers and landlords. 3 common mistakes are rushing cosmetic fixes and leaving obvious seams or paint mismatches, which you avoid by doing small test patches and letting coats cure fully. If color still looks off, repaint the whole wall rather than leaving a touch-up patch. A second is overlooking plumbing drips that cause stains later, so always run fixtures and check under sinks for slow leaks and water damage, and replace small parts immediately rather than delaying. Third is ignoring lighting and burned-out bulbs, which make spaces look neglected. Walk each room at eye level and replace bulbs plus clean fixtures so light output is accurate. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and post projects so they can get quotes and compare options quickly. We also provide a discussion community where contractors and homeowners exchange tips, ask questions, and connect for work.